Today we are going to learn about how to express feelings and emotions in English. First one, happiness.
Very happy. Why are you laughing?
I am very happy as our team won the match.
Glad. I am glad to see you again. Over the moon.
Finally I've come here, I'm over the moon.
On cloud 9. Are we really going there?
Yes, of course.
I'm on cloud 9. Chuffed.
Thanks for your lovely gift. I'm chuffed about it.
My pleasure.
Sad.
What's wrong with you?
I'm feeling sad about my exam results.
Down.
Why the long face?
I'm down because I've lost my phone. Depressed. Are you okay? I'm depressed as I've lost my husband last week. I'm sorry to hear that. Blue.
What's up?
I'm blue because I could not submit my project in time.
Miserable. What's the matter?
I'm miserable at my job.